Number 10.
We understand the power of a single tool, the power to define not just a profession, but a livelihood. And while Klein has grown with the global economy, we've never lost our commitment to the American tradesmen that have trusted our tools for over a century and a half. And that is why Klein Tools continues to create American jobs for American workers on American soil. Together, there's nothing we can't achieve, because a single tool is all it takes. Klein, for professionals.
Number 9. Number 8.
There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. With this one tool, you can tackle all your projects around the house or on the job. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
Number 7.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.
Number 6.
This is the Schrade SC Pen 9BK Tactical Pen, one of 3 models in the SC Pen 9 series. Ruggedly handsome as well as practical, the SC Pen 9BK is a writing instrument you can count on in the face of challenging conditions. Made from aircraft-quality CNC machine 6061 T6 aluminum, the pen offers the ease of a push-button rollerball ink pen with a nearly indestructible barrel. Click the push button to instantly deploy the smooth writing tip. The pen uses Schmidt Parker-style 9000M refills and comes with a black ink cartridge installed and ready to write. The grooved and ribbed black barrel of the SC Pen 9BK offers a comfortable grip. To retract the tip, simply click the push button once again. Access and replace the ink cartridge by unscrewing the silver protective tip at the end of the barrel. Remove the tension spring and position it over the point of the replacement cartridge. Drop the cartridge into the barrel of the SC Pen 9BK color-coded plastic end first. Screw the silver protective tip back onto the barrel. A sturdy spring tension clip bearing the familiar Schrade trademark secures the pen to your pocket or clip to pack or gear. At a length of just over 5 inches and weight of 1.6 ounces, the SC Pen 9BK is a tactical pen crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime.
Number 5. Number 4.
This is the ProTac HL from Streamlight. It's a 600 lumen tactical handheld flashlight with 10-tap technology for user programmability. There are 3 standard modes for the ProTac HL: high, strobe, and low modes. To activate the light, you simply press the tail cap switch once for high, double tap for strobe, and triple tap for low. On the first cycle through, when you let up on the tail cap switch, every time you touch the tail cap button from there out, it's only high. You can double tap, you can triple tap, you can tap it 9 times, and all you're going to get is high. The next cycle is low, then high. So when you single tap the tail cap switch, you'll be in low mode. You double tap, and you'll be in high mode. If you'd like to return back to the factory settings, simply tap the tail cap switch 10 times and let it cycle through to the beginning, and you'll be back at your factory settings, which are high, 1 tap, 2 taps for strobe, 3 taps for low.
Number 3.
Draw me closer to your side. story. I don't mind. No. Move. Keep it steady, never falter. You don't know that I remember, but I assure you I do.
Number 2. Number 1.
This is the dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the dime.